Okay, so Mawis is what? It is wettest place which receive an average annual rainfall in India. Okay, and it receives how much? 11,873 mm of rain in a year. And most of the rain occurs during a monsoon season, as we know, which is between June and September. And the second rainiest place is Cherrapunji, which receives an average annual rainfall of 11,430 mm per annum. Okay, Cherrapunji can sometimes suffer drought outside the monsoon season. So when Cherrapunji does not receive rainfall, it also suffers from drought. Deep in the dense tropical forest of Meghalaya and covered in a cloud and rain, for much of the year are some astonishing man-made natural wonders. So there are some astonishing man-made natural wonders, which is what? A living root bridge. So this root bridge provides a stable alternative to wooden bridge which decay and get destroyed during the lengthy monsoon season. So what happens, this is a kind of a living root bridge which is an alternative for the wooden bridges, clear, which is somewhat made by the man-made uh, by man, clear. And sometimes what happens is it decays during the monsoon seasons when it receives more rainfall. Invention: members of a Khasi tribe have trained the living root of ancient Indian rubber trees native to the northeast region by carefully guiding them across a stream or a river, clear. So this Khasi tribe have trained themselves or trained, they are now have become experts in planting what? Ancient Indian rubber trees, which is a native to the northeastern region. Okay, which is beside what? Beside streams or the beside rivers. These roots are allowed to grow strong enough to take the weight of people. Often the young roots are tied together so that in time they combine with each other. Once the root crosses the water body, they anchor themselves to earth at the other end. So, how do they make a bridge with the root? These roots are what? They are allowed to grow strong. Okay, they are natural roots actually, which are done by the help of a man. So they are grown stronger and means they grow a root in such a way so that it can uh, take a weight of a people. Okay, so often the young roots are tied together so that in time they combine with each other. Then next what happens, once they are grown, once they cross the water body, the anchor or they tie the other side of the root to the other end. Clear? It takes about 15 years for a new root bridge to become strong enough to bear the weight of a people crossing it. Clear? However, it will continue to grow and strengthen even more over time. Some of the bridge are believed to be hundred of years old. So there are so many bridges which are 100 years old, although no one knows their exact age. Their tangled webs of roots are almost airy in nature and wouldn't look out of the place in a fantasy world. Marvelous, isn't it?